What's up, everybody? July 2nd. A couple grindage marks. And a super glue special cut. Yeah. It doesn't talk anymore. It's pretty warm outside. Staying cool. On happy 4th of July early. This is what was inside. And what is now inside. I have my highs amp right there. The board open, but it's my amp. Pretty much selling the whole setup again. My last one I sold went half, or I guess it would be eighth retard on these ones. They're pretty big, but the battery I was using exploded, so I contaminated the wood. Doesn't affect the integrity much, but that finish, kind of salty, was nice. Let's see. I got the camber kits installed. I need to make a better video. This is just garbage. But what I am going to do is raise the shock towers just a little bit, so that way I have more travel on the arm. This is a template. I had the pieces cut out. This one here pretty much sits on the side. This is like full retard high though. It's like 212. On one spot's a little bit higher, but the tall side is going to be in the front, because on the Vigor, when the arm comes up, it kind of goes forward a little bit instead of completely when you're pulling it out. So I use that angle to make up for it. Can't find the rest of the pieces to the puzzle because I literally just threw everything in a parts washer right now. But yeah, that's the idea. This is how you mess shit up. But I heat treated steel with the grill a couple times, then I cooled it off with old motor oil. But yeah, that's the Vigor update. It's my little truck. Next little project. Yeah, it's gonna be wow.